How to activate debit card on Bank of America app. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can activate debit card on Bank of America app. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to do it, you need the Bank of America app installed on your device. After you have logged in, you'll be able to find your accounts and dashboard on your home screen. So you're just going to tap on one of the amount that after tapping on one of the amount, you'll be taken to next page where you'll be finding every information of your hair. So you're just gonna go and scroll down a bit on this screen. You're just gonna scroll down a bit until you're able to find debit card settings. So you're just gonna click on debit card settings. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to next page where you'll be finding your card which is not activated. So in order to activate the card, you just need to simply click on this tap on this activate option on your screen. You can easily find that option. Just tap on it, and after that you need to provide your card expiration date and security code. You just need to verify yourself and your card should be activated after you have gone with the process of verification. And that's how you basically verify your card on Bank of America app. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.